Hi guys, so I just washed my face, put on my toner and moisturizer, and I just put on some product on my lips, and I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. I'm most likely gonna do more before I go to work. Like, yeah, there's like 95% chance, no, not even 95, 99.5% chance I'm gonna do my makeup before I go to work, but I have to do a little bit of last minute holiday shopping, so I'm just gonna bring you along with me. It is Vlogmas day, oh my gosh, it is Vlogmas day 23. This is very last minute holiday shopping, so yeah, we are going to go and get some choke cherry wine from a local like liquor store, and then we are going to be going over to Ulta Beauty in order to get a gift set for my Secret Santa. Okay, so we are here at the location, 820 Wines, and she's getting annoyed with me. Hi. And we're about to go in.
You're so silly. What are you thinking?
Okay, so we found this for Tommy. It is the official like cleanser set for the skin from Jack Black, and then I'm also getting him a beard wash along with this and the wine. Hi guys, so I am here picking up my friend TK. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm so late. He and I are going to a movie. We're going to go see Frozen 2. And yeah, we're probably going to be a little bit late because I'm late picking him up. But I will see you guys after the movie. Probably going to be putting on my face and headed to work. Hey guys, so I'm actually going to be doing my makeup in like a holiday style since it is my last official day at work before Christmas, because tomorrow I'm off and Christmas Day I'm off, which I'm very grateful for. But I just have my hair up and pulled back so we can do the makeup. But I have the wine right here. Just gonna set you down right there, possibly. Yeah, right there. And just show you what wine I picked out from 80/20, I want to say it's called wines. So here it is. It's a Colorado wine from Colorado Cellars, and it is pomegranate. I was divided between getting Tommy the pomegranate, the blueberry, or the choke cherry, but I felt like I honestly felt like this one would have been perfect for him and Scooby, so I feel like this is gonna be amazing. And then I have more stuff for him. So I got this for Xavier, as you all know, and I figured that he would like it too because he's very into self-care and he takes such good care of himself. Sorry I like had to shake it and everything. The lip balm comes undone. But yeah. And I got that at Ulta. And then also at Ulta, from the same brand, Jack Black, because I feel like it is such a good brand for guys. I got him a beard wash, so I hope he likes that as well. I just need to wrap these two, and I have a really cute container for the wine, as you just saw. But I am going to be working on some holiday makeup for my last official day before Christmas Eve, I guess. My last official day working before Christmas. Okay, so I've decided that I want to play around with the colors in the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So these ones, and I'm wanting to gravitate more towards a green look. So, and then the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I feel like I'm going to be using those two palettes a lot, so let's just get started with priming our eyes. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this kind of pencil brush, and I don't know what color to start with. I feel like this one from the Nomad palette, this green would be a really nice transition shade. So I'm going to be going in to Wonderlust from the Urban Decay palette. Just tapping off the excess because the fallout is ridiculous with me. So, and then I'm just going to be putting that on the outer part. With this flat brush right here, we are going to be going in to the SO36 palette, not palette, bleh, SO36 shade from the Nomad Underground Berlin palette, and we're just going to be putting that on our eyelid. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this blending brush and going into NDW from the Nomad Berlin Underground palette, and it's like a brighter kind of green. It reminds me honestly of St. Patrick's Day, and we're just going to be using this transition shade just to blend these two other colors together perfectly. And you could see my bubbly. Oh, that's nice. Ugh. Okay, so I'm done with the green color on both of my eyes. Now I'm going to be taking this angled brush. I love these brushes because this is what I use to get into my inner corner, like inner tear duct, and then along my brow bone. And I'm taking the Urban Decay Born to Run palette in the color Breakaway. Okay, so I am going to be putting eyeshadow on my lower lash line, but I'm actually going to be doing the rest of my face makeup before I do that, so you already know what I do, so I'm just gonna fast forward to that part. Okay guys, so my full face is put on. While my mascara is drying, I'm actually gonna be going back in. I have no idea what color to use on my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in with the Nomad Berlin Underground palette and going in to Taquiles, I think. I don't know. Sorry if I butchered the name. But I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash line, and it's like a little bit red, so a little bit hint to the holiday, you know? Because my lips are neutral. Okay. So let's just put on the lashes because it is already 12 till. I have to be at work by 4. Wish me luck. Okay guys, so my makeup is basically done. I have to go to work. It is literally 9 till. Wish me luck. I will see you when I get home. See ya! Hey guys, so I actually attempted to use my tripod just now and it was on the wrong setting, so unfortunately we were not able to do that. But I just took TK to his Christmas party for work. It is currently 10:17, but it won't focus, of course. Yep. It's 10:17 right now. I just finished uploading 2 videos. I need to make them public really soon, and spontaneously while I was doing that, I managed to edit like halfway through Vlogmas Day 17, so I feel like I'm slowly catching up, but not really, and I'm so out of focus. But this is my makeup that I went to work with. Like underneath my eye is red, and then there's like green, and still not focusing. Cool. But I will see you guys inside. Seriously, as soon as I turn off the camera, it starts to want to focus. That's just great. I'll see you guys in the house. See, the packaging is really cute. Here.
It's a brown box.
No. Unwrap it and see.
Wait, it'll smell garlicky.
It's fine.
No, it isn't.
Fine. Here, let me move this.
Consider's gonna want this area.
See?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see? And then it says
Okay.
Charmed Collection, and these are the earrings that I got from Nikki's jewelry line, NIKNAKs. Where have you been?
I went to the store.
Where'd you get them? Cookies. I need some. Yeah.
Some
Chocolate
cookies.
chip cookies.
Why?
Oh, so wait a minute. We have to
Who are
make
you
them?
baking for?
Everybody. I got a Dolphin burrito.
Oh, she got a Dolphos.
Can you move that out of the way?
Yeah.
See some kind of
Xavier was so nice and generous. He let me have a little bit of his burrito from Adolfo's. He let me have some of his Adolfo's burrito.
Oh, like, was that 2 years ago?
I've never had their breakfast burrito.
It's good?
That's good. Yeah, I've only ever had their California. So this is pretty good. But he got the green salsa, which I really like.
So I have a pretty of me.
Okay, so as you already know, I got my package from Nikki from NIKNAKs. her jewelry line. And this is what it looks like. It's from the Charmed collection. It looks so cute. I think I'm gonna wear the hoops, probably. Most likely I'm gonna wear the hoops. But I really need to take off my makeup. I mean, oh. I'm surprised it hasn't started creasing yet. That's really crazy. But yeah, I need to take off my makeup. I can't believe tomorrow is Christmas Eve. That's insane. But I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 24. Oh my gosh, Vlogmas Day 24. Hopefully we will be able to catch up with all of our editing, all of our uploading for the vlogs. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.